Well, you can tell you when you have a Jeep dog. Yeah, we know it was you, don't we? Yeah, you're a good dog. All right, so there's all kinds of uses for a vacuum, whether it's in the shop, car. Primarily, that's what today's Tool Time Tuesday is going to be focused around. If you have a need for a vacuum to clean up your shop and your car, and you don't like going through the hassle of a bulky vacuum, or if you're cleaning up in the shop and you've sucked enough metal chips into the motor to burn out enough of these, that happens. For the price of one of these, and if you have a way to supply air from a compressor or something like that, we have a fix for you. All right, so if you have a way to supply compressed air to your shop, or even if it's a pancake or something to a car, these handy little vacuums work great. And they just take compressed air. There's no motor or anything, especially in a shop. These are great. You've got machines you're trying to clean up, or if you have machines like this you want to clean up, even if it has a little tapping fluid on it. And you can buy different attachments for these. Come in handy when you're cleaning up metal and stuff like this. You don't have to worry about it getting into the motor. I mean, it's using some air, but it's not ridiculous. And then here's the best part of this whole thing. Got this little zipper here, and then that's how you empty it. All right, so it's cool little tools like this that I like to share. Zip it back up and you're ready to go. Especially if you're working around metal and stuff like that. These are really good because I can't tell you how many motors I've burnt up out of vacuum cleaners. With these, it just uses a Venturi. So there's no motors, no nothing. But if you got a compressor, even if it's a pancake or some way to supply compressed air, these little vacuums work great, $30, $40. They're really easy to use, doesn't require a whole lot of storage. So if you're enjoying these Tool Time Tuesdays, check it out, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you here for some places to use something like this.